Have you ever found yourself at the airport, gazing at the sky as majestic airplanes soar overhead? Perhaps a flicker of curiosity sparks within you. What kind of plane is that? Believe it or not, you're not alone. Countless people around the world share this fascination with identifying aircraft, turning it into a rewarding and enjoyable hobby. Like learning a new language, plane spotting initially seems daunting with its myriad of models and variations. But fear not. With a little guidance and a keen eye, you too can become adept at distinguishing a Boeing from an Airbus or even a Bombardier from afar. This guide will equip you with the basic knowledge to embark on your plane spotting adventure. The key is to focus on distinct features that differentiate one aircraft from another. Think of it as a game of detective work, using visual clues to unravel the mystery of each plane's identity. Ready to become an aviation detective? Let's begin. In the world of commercial aviation, two giants reign supreme: Boeing and Airbus. These aeronautical titans have dominated the skies for decades, each with its own design philosophy reflected in their aircraft. Learning to distinguish between their general characteristics is the first step to mastering plane spotting. Boeing, the American aerospace behemoth, often favors a more curved, rounded design aesthetic. Imagine the iconic nose of the 747, a gentle slope that has become synonymous with air travel. Airbus, on the other hand, tends toward a more angular, modern look. Their cockpits, for instance, often feature a distinctive visor-like windshield that sets them apart from their Boeing counterparts. These stylistic choices, while seemingly subtle, become more apparent as you train your eye. Remember, the devil is in the details, and paying attention to these nuances is what separates the amateur spotter from the seasoned enthusiast. So, the next time you're at the airport, take a moment to observe the overall shape and lines of the aircraft. Are they sleek and rounded, suggesting a Boeing? Or do they exhibit a sharper, more modern aesthetic, hinting at an Airbus creation? Now that you have a grasp of the general differences between Boeing and Airbus, let's delve into specific models that grace our skies. The Boeing 737, a workhorse of short to medium-haul flights, is instantly recognizable by its single-aisle design and two engines mounted beneath the wings. Its larger sibling, the 777, boasts a distinctive wide-body fuselage, two aisles, and a much larger wingspan, often accommodating a third, smaller engine near the tail on some variants. On the Airbus side, the A320, a direct competitor to the 737, shares a similar single-aisle configuration but can be distinguished by its more angular nose and cockpit windows. Finally, the Airbus A380, the largest passenger aircraft in the world, is in a league of its own. With its double-decker design, four engines and massive wingspan, the A380 is hard to miss. Familiarizing yourself with these popular models is crucial for any budding plane spotter. Pay attention to the number of engines, the width of the fuselage, and the overall size of the aircraft. With practice, you'll be able to identify these planes at a glance. Section 4. Tails and engines, a guide to rear recognition. While the nose and fuselage offer valuable clues, don't underestimate the importance of the tail section and engine placement in aircraft identification. Boeing aircraft often feature a distinctive tail design with the horizontal stabilizer, the smaller wing-like structure positioned lower than the vertical fin. Airbus planes, on the other hand, typically have a higher mounted horizontal stabilizer, often intersecting the vertical fin. Engine placement also provides vital clues. While both Boeing and Airbus utilize underwing engine configurations on many of their models, the positioning can differ. Boeing tends to place engines closer to the fuselage, while Airbus engines are often mounted further out on the wings. Additionally, the shape and size of the engine nacelles, the housing around the engine, can vary significantly between manufacturers and even between different models from the same company. Section 5. Landing gear and size, more clues in the details. Believe it or not, even the landing gear can offer valuable information for the discerning plane spotter. Boeing aircraft typically feature a distinctive main landing gear configuration with two sets of wheels per undercarriage leg, giving it a four-wheel appearance when retracted. Airbus, however, often employs a six-wheel configuration on its larger aircraft with three sets of wheels per leg. Finally, size matters in the world of aviation. While it can be challenging to gauge size from a distance, understanding the general dimensions of different aircraft can be helpful. For instance, the Boeing 737 is considerably smaller than the 777, while the Airbus A320 is dwarfed by the colossal A380. As you become more familiar with various models, you'll develop an intuitive sense of their relative sizes, further enhancing your spotting abilities.